Pantene Repair and Protect. This product is good for dry and dull weakened hair. I've been using this product a few times now and have seen quite a big difference. Pantene Repair and Protect conditioner, and this product is good for dry and dull hair. It also can be kept on for an extra 10 minutes for extra nourishment, which I do. And yeah, so it's another good product. Pantene Repair and Protect mask. This mask is good for detangling. I also leave it on for roughly about 10 minutes for added protection to my hair. I've also seen quite a big difference from using it, and I've only used it twice. So yeah, I'm very impressed with this one. Pantene Protect Oil, and this is good for nourishing dry hair. It also can be used on wet or dry hair. And you only need a small amount. I put it on just before towel drying my hair. And this is the best. This is a Pantene Sun Kiss Glow. This protects your hair from UV rays. It also gives your hair a bit of shine. And this can be added as many times as you want. It's also good for added protection on your scalp. And this product is great for when you go on holiday, because it can be used whenever you want to use it. When you're getting in and out of the pool and your hair's wet, you can just spray a bit on, and it just gives your hair the added shine that you need.